important to know thyself.
You know my thing, rude boy. Dance ram, know they're gonna get out of and try. Know that's part of the plan. Original Dan, there's only one Mr. Sandman from Bow Pop, Lemon Late and some can't understand how to say pattern and slang. Wanna follow and be like that. Followers pay food won't never land. Let me burn down the place called Fireman Sam. You know my steeds, burn down the rhythm for your feed and I send for the very good weed. Smoke my trees, meditate, set the mind free. It's a must during times like these. Be a technique, night boot, them level lean, that's something that you never gonna see. I stand up on a stage show at 3 o'clock, everything burnt down by 3:05. Lightning. Pull up that, run that again, rude boy. Pull up that, run that again, rude boy. Mad thing when me get active, I shall have us. Sound like the military leather burst. Rhythm, you know I got hell of us. You know my thing, rude boy.
knows what to play. Understand?
Level up now to 10. Telling them I'm fit. Shelling up our willing. Setting up on the ends. Killing the sound again. Big, ayy, too big for them. Energy louder send. Level up now to 10. Yo, telling them I'm fit. Shelling up our willing. Yo, setting up on the ends. Killing the sound again. Minute an hour big, ayy, too big for them. Yo, energy louder send. Level up now to 10. Telling them I'm fit, ayy, shelling up our willing. Yo, setting up out the ends. Killing the sound again. Minute an hour bigger than, badder than rhythm, I get your jigger land. Live for hand, minute about the middle man. Let me land ready, set on with killer dance. Silly band, some of them I'm fit. Hold it down if you ain't got a clue. Mobile phones in the air if you do. Pull up the rhythm, cause the rhythm got smooth. Trust me, daddy, when I done up on June. 4 bars got 'em on a high, why hate? Ahead of the curve, work rate, I rate. Steady with it, I bring you the vibe I make. Heavy with it, I give you the life I take. Roll up another, everybody want smoke it. Wind up, them I wind up, a girl know this. Line up for the times up with the coldest. Them are the best to get focused. Big, ayy, too big for them. Energy louder send. Level up now to 10. Yo, telling them I'm fit. Shelling off our willing. Yo, setting up out the ends. Killing the sound again. Yo, minute an hour big. Ayy, too big for them. Energy louder send. Level up now to 10. Yo, telling them I'm fit. Shelling off our willing. Yo, setting up out the ends. Killing the sound again.
So I don't even understand why he's running brethrens and he's even acting like that. That's my shit. Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't touch the boy, I'm at end. Now he's on the block, hoodie up for events. Skin kept close, cause he plotting on them with the tits on 10. Back in the back, that's on tap, all ready to go. That's my shit.
Don't need to think too hard about what to say to you. Words come so easily, cause what I say is the truth. You don't need to worry about me. I don't need nothing but you. You should know it, baby. I would give you anything.
get your bitch, dog. Why she all up on my dick, dog? I know why. It's because she seen my neck and wrist, dog. 45 on my hip, so don't think I'm a lick, dog. Don't try, gang them turn your block into a fish fry. Yeah, it's your bedtime. Goodbye, lay your ass down, nigga. Chase dead guys. Now my legs tired, yeah, I'm big time. My ears, my real side, solid first, they too wide. Yo, I got too much pride, yeah, flexing all the time. From the bottom when I climb, yeah, I came from nicks and dime. All shades like I'm spine, yeah, Versace's on my eyes, and I'm chillin' with some fine. She ain't even mad, come get your bitch, dog. Why she all up on my dick, dog? I know why, it's because she see my neck and wrist, dog. 45 on my hip, so don't think I'm a leak, dog. Don't try, gang them turn your block into a fish fry.
Hold it, grab it, touch it, hold it, flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. Don't have us touch it, grab it, touch it, trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Fuck it up, shoot on the dick. Pull back quick, but I never been a trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Fuck it up, bitch. Do it on the dick. Pull back quick, but I never been a trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Got hits, got hits. Cause a nigga got hits. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Hits. Cause a nigga got hits. Let me get it cause a nigga got hits. Cause a nigga got hits. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Cause a nigga got hits. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Cause a nigga got hits.
Disco stupid.
Fuck it up, bitch. Do it on the dick. Pull back quick, but I've never been a trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Fuck it up, bitch. Do it on the dick. Pull back quick, but I've never been a trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Fuck it up. Pull back quick, but I've never been a trick. I'm in the living room, back to back with your bitch. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Got hits, got hits.
Pull some of that bass out.
Fuck it up, bitch. Cause a nigga got hits. She only let me hit it cause a nigga got hits. Fuck it up.
Dedication on the Texas and Buffalo Ocean. Yeah, now we're gonna get Time to get a piece of that squeeze, no vibe. Yaga. Yaga.
There's no school like the old school, and I'm the fucking headmaster. That's why you come to me. Got it? Got it?
Ooh,